In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about a bad turbocharger. The purpose of a turbocharger is to push more compressed air into the cylinder so that the engine can ingest more fuel and deliver more horsepower. The turbocharger is driven by exhaust gas coming out of the engine. The turbocharged is placed right near the exhaust ports on the exhaust manifold. Now that we know what the turbocharger does, let's dive into the symptoms of a bad turbocharger. Symptom number 1. Check engine light comes on. While a check engine light can indicate various problems, a malfunctioning turbocharger is a frequent trigger. This happens because the engine control unit detects issues related to turbo boost pressure and triggers relevant fault codes. Here are some OBD2 codes related to a bad turbocharger. You can visit any parts store and scan OBD codes for free, or you can buy the best OBD scanner. Link in the pinned comment. If you want to know the meaning of each OBD2 code, check our playlist on OBD2 codes. Link in the corner. Symptom number 2. Poor engine performance. Since the turbo is responsible for bringing more air into the engine to mix with more fuel to create more power, if it's failing, it won't be able to bring in more air. The ECM won't command more fuel, leaving your cylinder to ingest less fuel and deliver less power. Symptom number 3. Blue smoke from exhaust. This is usually due to worn oil seals inside the turbo. When this happens, oil moves past the seals, travels through the intake, and into the combustion chamber where it gets burned and turns into blue smoke. Symptom number 4. Loss of oil. If you're recently noticing that you're having to pour more oil frequently into your engine, it might be due to leaking oil, which could be caused by worn turbo oil seals. Symptom number 5. Whining noise. If you hear a whining noise that progressively gets louder as you increase speed, it could be due to defective bearings inside the turbo. You might also hear a grinding noise from the impeller scratching the sidewall, which could be due to a damaged turbo impeller. Now that we understand the symptoms of a faulty turbocharger, it's equally important to know the causes of turbocharger failure. We have a dedicated video on things that can kill your turbocharger. Check out the video link in the corner for more detailed information on how to prevent turbo issues and keep your engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow automotive enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive diagnostics and repair guides. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos.